Hello, Simulator O'Reilly's. Looking at a Vauxhall Vivaro 1.6. If we start the vehicle up, we got check injection system and the spanner light on down there. Using a Launch Smart Safe DO1 scan tool, I've picked up these codes here. So we've got one for the cruise control, which I'm not concerned about. One here for the pressure of the turbine, and we have the preheating unit diagnostic fault alerted. So glow plugs need looking at. So if we come over to the tool here, we're outside the van now. We'll exit that and we'll go to actuation test, and we'll look on the preheater relay there. Sorry, there's a lot of glare on the screen. I'm not sure if you can see that. That one right there. I'm going to come down here to one of the glow plugs. It's a little bit easy to get to the first one. The rest of them are a bit more difficult down there. So I'm just going to turn this around and test if we're getting power supply at the glow plugs. So we get the multimeter in there. And we're just going to engage the glow plug module. You can see there we've got spiking up to 2.9 volts. So we have got power there. Okay, now I'm going to try and access these glow plugs to get them out. Looks like we need to sort of move this a little bit out of the way. It's going to make it easier to get to the glow plugs on this side. We've got a little hose clip here. Just need to carefully pull that off. And then press that in and tap that to the side so we can move the coolant reservoir bottle out of the way there. So we're just pulling out the glow plugs power supplies there. We're going to take out this oil dipstick just so it's out of the way a little bit. So we've got number 1, 2 and 3 out. Number 4 is just down there behind these pipes. So just disconnect that little clamp there, move these 2 little pipes to the side, which allowed me to pull out the glow plug power supply there from number 4. So I know we can't see, you can just see the tip there of number 4. Can't see number 3 at all, somewhere around there somewhere. If I come down with the camera where I can't get my head because of this slant panel, might be able to see with the camera. So we've got number 1 just there, number 2 down there between that gap, number 3 there, and number 4 over there. They do look quite dry. It's done 160,000. So hopefully we have some luck getting these out. So I've just got a little airline here. I'm just going to blow out all of the dust from around where the glow plugs are. Get this down in there. Okay, I've sprayed them up now with some lubricating grease there. That's the one I'm using. So I've got this tool from Workzeuig. It's the 4121 part number. It's a glow plug gun, so it looks like that. It goes up to a maximum of 40 Newton meters, and it's a Vibro gun basically, especially for glow plugs to get them out. Okay, I've now got that loose, so we're just undoing it by hand. Is it going to come out in one piece? Yes, certainly has. You can see there's a lot of rust on it. So this one on number 2, it doesn't want to open with the gun, and I can tell you it is stiff. It doesn't want to open by hand either. Okay, that's number 2 out. We had to put a lot of force into that to get it open. I feel like they've been over tightened from the last time someone's put them in. Just can't get the camera to focus there. There's a lot of sort of white. So we're on to number 3. We're getting this one loose. So I'm using the camera to find where the hole is. Get number 3 in there. So far I've put number 1, 2 and 3, the new ones in, and we've got number 4 left to take out over there. That's number 4 out. So my tester has gone flat, so I can't get a chance to record them, but we had 2.6 ohms, 2.8 ohms. This one was completely dead, wouldn't give any reading at all, and this one had 46 ohms on it, number 4. Okay, that's all of the glow plugs in, and they're all tightened down to 15 Newton meters. Now we'll just put all of the plugs on, and we can put the dipstick back in there. Okay, now we can clear these codes. You can see we've got another code for the inlet manifold sensor because we unplugged that. So we should be able to now clear these codes and the job will be all finished. This one right here, we're going to make a separate video on that for the turbo pressure hose there, pressure pipe. So I said the glow plug's all finished on the Vauxhall Vivaro. See you in our next video.